ThoughtSpot Online Training. Introduction to ThoughtSpot. In a nutshell, ThoughtSpot is a business intelligence platform that puts the power of data analysis in the hands of everyone, not just data scientists or analysts. Here are its key features. Search-driven. Imagine analyzing data like you would search the web. ThoughtSpot lets you ask questions in plain English and get insights in seconds. AI-powered. Stuck formulating a question? No problem. ThoughtSpot uses AI to recommend insights and visualizations based on your data and past searches. Actionable insights. ThoughtSpot goes beyond just showing you data. It helps you understand what the data means and even suggests next steps. What is ThoughtSpot and its core functionality? Search-based interface. ThoughtSpot offers a Google-like search experience where users can type in questions or search terms in natural language. For example, a user could ask, "What were our sales last quarter?" or "Show me the top-performing products." AI-powered analytics. Behind the scenes, ThoughtSpot leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to understand user queries, analyze data, and generate relevant visualizations and insights. Instant results. Users receive instant answers to their questions in the form of interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards. They can explore and interact with the results further to gain deeper insights. Data integration. ThoughtSpot integrates with various data sources, including data warehouse, cloud platforms, and other enterprise systems, to provide a comprehensive view of an organization's data. Collaboration and sharing. Users can collaborate with colleagues by sharing insights, dashboards, and reports within the platform. This fosters collaboration and enables data-driven decision-making across teams. How does ThoughtSpot revolutionize data analytics? ThoughtSpot revolutionizes data analytics through its innovative search and AI-driven analytics platform. Here are some key ways it achieves this. Search-driven analytics. ThoughtSpot allows users to search for data insights using natural language queries, similar to how they would search on Google. This intuitive interface democratizes data access, enabling non-technical users to quickly find relevant information without needing to know complex query languages or data structures. AI-powered insights. The platform leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to understand user queries, anticipate their needs, and provide intelligent recommendations. This not only speeds up the data analysis process but also helps users discover insights they may not have considered. Self-service analytics. With ThoughtSpot, business users can perform complex data analysis tasks without relying on data analysts or IT departments. They can create custom reports, dashboards, and visualizations on the fly, empowering them to make data-driven decisions in real time. Scalability and performance. ThoughtSpot is designed to handle large volumes of data and complex queries with high performance. Its in-memory calculation engine ensures rapid response times, even when dealing with massive datasets, enabling users to analyze data at the speed of thought. Integration and connectivity. ThoughtSpot seamlessly integrates with various data sources, including cloud data warehouse, relational databases, and business applications. This allows organizations to leverage their existing data infrastructure and consolidate disparate data sources into a single, unified platform for analysis. Data governance and security. ThoughtSpot provides robust data governance features to ensure data accuracy, integrity, and security. Administrators can define access controls, monitor user activity, and enforce compliance policies to protect sensitive information and maintain regulatory compliance. Understanding ThoughtSpot's architecture. How does it work? ThoughtSpot is a business intelligence platform that aims to make data analytics accessible to non-technical users through its search-driven analytics approach. Here's an overview of its architecture and how it works. Data ingestion. ThoughtSpot connects to various data sources including databases, data warehouse, cloud storage, and other data repositories. It ingests structured data from these sources using connectors or APIs. Data modeling. Once the data is ingested, it undergoes a modeling process where it's transformed into a format optimized for search-driven analytics. This involves creating a relational model with tables and relationships that can be easily queried using natural language. Search interface. The core of ThoughtSpot's user experience is its search interface. Users can type natural language queries, similar to how they would ask a question to a search engine. ThoughtSpot's algorithms parse these queries, understand the user's intent, and translate them into SQL queries to fetch the relevant data. Relational calculation engine. ThoughtSpot's calculation engine executes the SQL queries generated from user searches. It leverages in-memory processing and distributed computing techniques to execute these queries rapidly, even on large datasets. In-memory database. ThoughtSpot stores frequently accessed data in memory to accelerate query performance. This in-memory database, IMDb, architecture allows for fast data retrieval and analysis. Search indexing. ThoughtSpot builds search indexes on top of the data to enable fast search operations. These indexes are optimized for the search patterns commonly used by users, improving the speed and relevance of search results. Analytics engine. Beyond simple search queries, ThoughtSpot offers advanced analytics capabilities including predictive analytics, forecasting, trend analysis, and anomaly detection. These analytics are powered by machine learning algorithms that analyze historical data and provide insights to users. Security and governance. ThoughtSpot provides robust security features to ensure that sensitive data is protected. This includes role-based access control, RBAC, data encryption, and auditing capabilities. It also helps organizations maintain compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. How can ThoughtSpot empower business users? ThoughtSpot empowers business users by providing them with a user-friendly platform for accessing and analyzing their data. Here's how it does that. Search-based analytics. ThoughtSpot allows users to search for data and insights using natural language queries, similar to how they would search on Google. This makes it easy for business users to quickly find the information they need without having to rely on technical expertise. Self-service analytics. Business users can create their own reports, dashboards, and visualizations without needing assistance from IT or data analysts. This self-service approach enables faster decision-making and reduces the dependency on specialized teams. Speed and performance. ThoughtSpot's in-memory calculation engine and distributed architecture ensure that users can analyze large datasets and get instant responses to their queries, even when dealing with complex data models. Interactive visualizations. The platform offers a wide range of interactive visualizations, including charts, graphs, and maps, which help users to explore their data and uncover insights more effectively. Data governance and security. ThoughtSpot provides robust data governance features, allowing administrators to control access to data and ensure compliance with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. This gives business users confidence that they are working with accurate and secure information. Integration with existing systems. ThoughtSpot can connect to a variety of data sources, including cloud-based databases, on-premises systems, and third-party applications. This enables business users to analyze data from multiple sources within a single interface without having to switch between different tools. Exploring ThoughtSpot's key features and capabilities. ThoughtSpot is a powerful analytics platform that allows users to easily search and analyze data from various sources. Here are some key features and capabilities. Search-driven analytics. ThoughtSpot's main feature is its search-driven analytics, which allows users to search for insights using natural language queries. Users can ask questions in plain language, and the platform will return relevant visualizations and insights. AI-driven analytics. The platform leverages artificial intelligence to provide smart suggestions, autocomplete queries, and recommended insights based on user behavior and data patterns. Interactive visualizations. ThoughtSpot offers a variety of interactive visualizations, including charts, graphs, and dashboards, to help users explore and understand their data. Data connectors. ThoughtSpot can connect to a wide range of data sources, including databases, data warehouse, cloud applications, and spreadsheets, allowing users to analyze data from multiple sources in one place. Data preparation. The platform includes built-in data preparation capabilities, allowing users to clean, transform, and enrich their data before analysis. Collaboration tools. ThoughtSpot enables collaboration and sharing of insights with team members through features like commenting, annotations, and sharing dashboards. Mobile access. The platform provides mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, allowing users to access and analyze data on the go. Security and governance. ThoughtSpot includes robust security features to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulations. It offers role-based access control, encryption, and auditing capabilities to protect sensitive data. Predictive analytics. ThoughtSpot integrates with advanced analytics and machine learning tools to provide predictive analytics capabilities, allowing users to forecast trends and make data-driven predictions. Natural language generation. In addition to natural language querying, ThoughtSpot can generate natural language narratives to explain the insights and trends found in the data. What industries benefit most from ThoughtSpot implementation? ThoughtSpot, a business intelligence and analytics platform, can benefit various industries that heavily rely on data-driven decision-making. Here are some industries where ThoughtSpot implementation can be particularly advantageous. Retail. Retailers can use ThoughtSpot to analyze sales data, customer preferences, inventory levels, and market trends to optimize pricing, promotions, and merchandising strategies. Finance, banks, investment firms, and insurance companies can leverage ThoughtSpot to gain insights into customer behavior, risk management, fraud detection, and compliance. Healthcare organizations can utilize ThoughtSpot to analyze patient data, clinical outcomes, operational efficiency, and healthcare costs to improve patient care, streamline processes, and optimize resource allocation. Manufacturers can use ThoughtSpot to analyze production data, supply chain performance, quality control, and equipment maintenance to optimize production processes, reduce downtime, and improve product quality. Telecommunication companies can leverage ThoughtSpot to analyze customer usage patterns, network performance, customer churn, and market trends to enhance customer experience, optimize network infrastructure, and develop targeted marketing campaigns. Technology companies can use ThoughtSpot to analyze customer usage data, product performance, market trends, and competitive intelligence to drive product development, marketing strategies, and customer engagement. Hospitality and tourism, hotels, airlines, and travel agencies can leverage ThoughtSpot to analyze booking data, customer preferences, pricing strategies, and market trends to optimize pricing, marketing campaigns, and customer experience. Energy and utilities. Energy companies can use ThoughtSpot to analyze energy consumption patterns, grid performance, maintenance data, and regulatory compliance to optimize operations, improve energy efficiency, and ensure reliability. Educational institutions can leverage ThoughtSpot to analyze student performance data, learning outcomes, enrollment trends, and resource utilization to improve teaching effectiveness, student retention, and institutional efficiency. Government agencies can use ThoughtSpot to analyze citizen data, public services usage, regulatory compliance, and policy outcomes to enhance decision-making, improve service delivery, and increase transparency. Integrating ThoughtSpot into your existing data ecosystem. Connectivity. ThoughtSpot provides connectors to a variety of data sources, including relational databases, cloud data warehouse, and business applications. Utilize these connectors to seamlessly connect ThoughtSpot to your data sources. Alternatively, you can use ThoughtSpot's APIs to build custom connectors if needed. Data ingestion. Once connected, ingest your data into ThoughtSpot's in-memory database, which enables fast query performance. Depending on the size of your data, you may need to optimize data ingestion to ensure timely updates and efficient use of resources. Metadata management. ThoughtSpot relies heavily on metadata to enable search-driven analytics. Implement robust metadata management practices to ensure that metadata is accurate, consistent, and up-to-date. This includes tagging data elements, defining relationships between data objects, and establishing data governance policies. Security and access control. Implement security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure that access to ThoughtSpot is restricted to authorized users. ThoughtSpot offers granular access control capabilities, allowing you to define permissions at the user, group, and data level. User training and adoption. Provide training and support to users to help them effectively leverage ThoughtSpot for their analytics needs. ThoughtSpot's intuitive interface and natural language search capabilities make it relatively easy for users to get started, but training can help them unlock its full potential. Monitoring and optimization. Continuously monitor the performance of your ThoughtSpot implementation and optimize it as needed. This includes monitoring query performance, data freshness, and user adoption metrics, and making adjustments to configuration and infrastructure as necessary. ThoughtSpot implementation, best practices and common pitfalls. Implementing ThoughtSpot, a business intelligence and analytics platform, can be a powerful asset for organizations seeking to derive insights from their data. Here are some best practices and common pitfalls to consider. Best practices. Define clear objectives. Before starting the implementation process, clearly define your objectives and goals. Understand what insights you want to derive from your data and how ThoughtSpot can help achieve those objectives. Data preparation. Invest time and effort in cleaning and preparing your data. Ensure data quality and consistency to avoid inaccuracies in your analysis. User training and adoption. Provide comprehensive training to users on how to use ThoughtSpot effectively. Foster a culture of data-driven decision-making within your organization to encourage adoption. Security and governance. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data. Define access controls and permissions to ensure that users only have access to the data they need. Performance optimization. Optimize the performance of ThoughtSpot by tuning queries, optimizing data models, and leveraging caching mechanisms. Integration with existing systems. Integrate ThoughtSpot with your existing systems and data sources to ensure seamless data flow and compatibility. Regular maintenance and updates. Regularly maintain and update your ThoughtSpot implementation to ensure compatibility with new data sources, technologies, and security requirements. Monitor usage and performance. Monitor usage patterns and performance metrics to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Common pitfalls. Lack of clear objectives. Implementing ThoughtSpot without clearly defined objectives can lead to ineffective use of the platform and wasted resources. Poor data quality. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to misleading insights. Ensure data quality and consistency through proper data preparation. Insufficient user training. Inadequate training can result in low user adoption and underutilization of the platform. Invest in comprehensive training programs for users at all levels. Inadequate security measures. Insufficient security measures can expose sensitive data to unauthorized access or breaches. Implement robust security controls and regularly audit permissions. Overlooking performance optimization. Neglecting performance optimization can lead to slow query times and user frustration. Regularly tune queries and optimize data models for better performance. Lack of integration. Failure to integrate ThoughtSpot with existing systems can result in data silos and inefficiencies. Ensure seamless integration with your data infrastructure. Ignoring maintenance and updates. Neglecting regular maintenance and updates can result in compatibility issues and security vulnerabilities. Stay up to date with the latest releases and patches. Limited monitoring. Failing to monitor usage and performance metrics can prevent you from identifying issues and optimizing the platform effectively. Implement robust monitoring and analytics capabilities. By following these best practices and avoiding common pitfalls, organizations can maximize the value derived from their ThoughtSpot implementation and make more informed decisions based on data-driven insights. How does ThoughtSpot ensure data security and compliance? ThoughtSpot, like many data analytics companies, prioritize data security and compliance to protect the sensitive information of its users. Here are some common methods and practices they might employ. Data encryption. ThoughtSpot likely encrypts data both in transit and at rest to prevent unauthorized access. This ensures that even if data is intercepted or compromised, it remains unreadable without the proper decryption keys. Access control. Implementing strict access controls ensures that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. This involves user authentication mechanisms such as passwords, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access control, RBAC. Auditing and monitoring. ThoughtSpot probably monitors user activity and access to detect any suspicious behavior or unauthorized access attempts. Audit logs can provide a detailed record of who accessed what data and when. Compliance certifications. ThoughtSpot may obtain certifications from regulatory bodies or industry standards organizations to demonstrate compliance with data security regulations. Common certifications include SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR, and ISO 27001. Data masking and anonymization. To protect sensitive data while still allowing for analysis, ThoughtSpot might use techniques like data masking or anonymization. This involves replacing sensitive information with non-sensitive placeholders or aggregating data to obscure individual identities. Secure development practices. ThoughtSpot likely follows secure coding practices and regularly updates its software to patch any vulnerabilities. This helps prevent security breaches and ensures that the platform remains resilient against emerging threats. Real-world success stories. ThoughtSpot case studies. ThoughtSpot, a leading analytics platform, has empowered numerous organizations across various industries with its innovative approach to data analysis. Here are a few success stories showcasing the impact of ThoughtSpot. Capital One, a financial services corporation, implemented ThoughtSpot to democratize data access across its organization. By enabling business users to directly query and visualize data without relying on IT support, Capital One accelerated decision-making processes and fostered a data-driven culture. ThoughtSpot's intuitive interface allowed users to explore vast datasets effortlessly, leading to better insights and informed decision-making. Bed Bath & Beyond. The retail giant Bed Bath & Beyond leveraged ThoughtSpot to enhance its operational efficiency and customer experience. ThoughtSpot's AI-driven analytics empowered store managers and executives to quickly identify trends, optimize inventory management, and personalize customer interactions. By providing actionable insights in real time, ThoughtSpot helped Bed Bath & Beyond stay competitive in the dynamic retail landscape and deliver value to its customers. Schneider Electric, a global leader in energy management and automation, utilized ThoughtSpot to streamline its supply chain operations. ThoughtSpot's search-driven analytics enabled Schneider Electric to identify bottlenecks, optimize production processes, and enhance resource allocation across its manufacturing facilities. With ThoughtSpot, Schneider Electric gained deeper visibility into its supply chain dynamics, resulting in improved efficiency and cost savings. 7-Eleven 7-Eleven, the renowned convenience store chain, deployed ThoughtSpot to revolutionize its store performance analytics. By consolidating disparate data sources into a single platform, ThoughtSpot provided 7-Eleven with actionable insights to optimize product assortments, pricing strategies, and promotional campaigns. With ThoughtSpot's AI-driven analytics, 7-Eleven empowered its store managers to make data-driven decisions at scale, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. ThoughtSpot versus competitors, a comparative analysis. 1. ThoughtSpot. Strengths. Search-driven analytics. ThoughtSpot offers an intuitive search interface, allowing users to ask questions in natural language and receive instant insights from their data. AI-driven analytics. ThoughtSpot leverages AI and machine learning to provide intelligent recommendations and predictions, enhancing data analysis capabilities. Ease of use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, enabling non-technical users to perform complex analytics tasks without extensive training. Integration capabilities. ThoughtSpot integrates with a wide range of data sources and platforms, including cloud databases, data warehouse, and business applications. Weaknesses. Limited scalability. ThoughtSpot may face challenges in handling extremely large data sets or high concurrency scenarios compared to some competitors. Pricing. Depending on the scale and features required, ThoughtSpot's pricing may be higher than some alternative solutions, potentially limiting adoption for smaller organizations. Leveraging ThoughtSpot for predictive analytics and insights. ThoughtSpot is primarily known as a search and AI-driven analytics platform, focused on empowering users to explore and analyze data through a simple search interface. While it's not traditionally marketed as a predictive analytics tool, there are ways you can leverage its capabilities for predictive analytics and insights. Data preparation. ThoughtSpot allows users to connect to various data sources and integrate data from multiple platforms. Properly prepared data is essential for predictive analytics, so ThoughtSpot can serve as a centralized platform for data preparation, cleansing, and integration. Historical analysis. Before diving into predictive analytics, it's crucial to understand historical trends and patterns in the data. ThoughtSpot's search-driven analytics can help users explore historical data to identify trends, outliers, and correlations that can inform predictive models. Integration with predictive tools. While ThoughtSpot doesn't provide built-in predictive modeling capabilities, it can integrate with other tools and platforms that do. You can use ThoughtSpot to analyze historical data and export it to predictive modeling tools like Python's scikit-learn or TensorFlow for building predictive models. Insights generation. ThoughtSpot's strength lies in its ability to generate insights from data quickly and intuitively. While it may not perform predictive modeling itself, it can assist in identifying variables and patterns that are likely to be predictive. Users can explore data using natural language queries and visualizations to uncover insights that can inform predictive modeling efforts. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. Predictive analytics often involves collaboration between data analysts, data scientists, and business stakeholders. ThoughtSpot's collaborative features enable teams to work together, share insights, and iterate on predictive modeling projects more effectively. Continuous monitoring and feedback. Once predictive models are deployed, it's essential to monitor their performance and adjust them as needed. ThoughtSpot can be used to monitor key metrics and performance indicators, providing real-time feedback that can inform model refinement and optimization. Career opportunities in ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is a leading analytics platform that empowers businesses to derive insights from their data quickly and efficiently. As with any growing technology company, there are various career opportunities available depending on your skills, experience, and interests. Here are some potential career paths within ThoughtSpot. Engineering. ThoughtSpot offers opportunities for software engineers, data engineers, and product developers to work on building and enhancing their analytics platform. This can involve working with cutting-edge technologies in areas such as data processing, machine learning, and user interface design. Data science. ThoughtSpot leverages machine learning and artificial intelligence to help users analyze and visualize their data. Data scientists and analysts can work on developing algorithms, building predictive models, and uncovering insights from large datasets. Product management. Product managers play a crucial role in defining the roadmap and features of ThoughtSpot's analytics platform. They work closely with engineering, design, and sales teams to understand customer needs, prioritize features, and drive product development. Sales and marketing. ThoughtSpot relies on sales and marketing teams to promote its products, acquire new customers, and drive revenue growth. Opportunities may include sales roles, marketing strategy, digital marketing, and customer success management. Customer success. Ensuring customer satisfaction and success is paramount for ThoughtSpot. Customer success managers help onboard new clients, provide ongoing support, and ensure that customers are maximizing the value of the platform. Operations and support. Behind the scenes, ThoughtSpot also requires professionals to manage operations, provide technical support, and ensure the smooth functioning of its services. Research and development. ThoughtSpot invests in research and development to stay at the forefront of analytics innovation. Researchers and developers may work on exploring new technologies, improving existing algorithms, and contributing to ThoughtSpot's intellectual property. Consulting and professional services. ThoughtSpot offers consulting and professional services to help clients implement and optimize their analytics solutions. Consultants and implementation specialists assist clients with deployment, configuration, and best practices. Why choose ProExcellency for ThoughtSpot online training? ProExcellency might be a great choice for ThoughtSpot online training for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency likely has a team of experienced trainers who are well-versed in ThoughtSpot and its functionalities. They may have a deep understanding of the platform's features and can effectively convey this knowledge to participants. Customized training. ProExcellency may offer tailored training programs to meet the specific needs of individuals or organizations. This could ensure that participants receive training that is relevant to their roles and objectives. Flexible learning options. Online training through ProExcellency might offer flexibility in terms of scheduling and delivery methods. This can be particularly beneficial for busy professionals who need to balance training with other responsibilities. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's training sessions may be interactive, engaging participants through discussions, hands-on exercises, and practical examples. This interactive approach can enhance learning retention and application of knowledge. Supportive environment. ProExcellency might foster a supportive learning environment where participants feel comfortable asking questions, seeking clarification, and sharing ideas. This can contribute to a more enriching learning experience.